It's also a touchscreen. We got the menu and setting. This is where you can dial numbers and stuff. What's going on, guys? This is Moses and welcome back to another video. Hope you guys are having a fantastic day, and it's also back to school week, so I'm starting school on Tuesday next week. I'm about to be in 11th grade too. If you didn't know, my door is also broken. Basically, one of my clothes got stuck in between the doors, and when my brother opened it, this top part of it broke. You see that? My dad's gonna repair this soon, so. But by the way, guys, let me show you the clothes I got for school. First, I got these two slim fit jean cuts. This is brown, this is white. We have this shirt with this Nick Danger brand. Next up, I got the K New York brand shirt made out of 95% cotton. Next up, we have this Poplin slim fit shirt. It has these anchor designs on it and these dots, if you can see. Looks pretty great. Looks really great. Then when we come up to here, I also have another K brand shirt. This time it's a red one, but with leather stripes. It looks really cool. It has this little zipper over here. Last but not least, we have this self-made long sleeve shirt. The black and white long sleeve shirt. The collar kind of matches with my shirt I'm wearing right now. So I also got this new watch. This is the watch. The watch looks really good. The problem is that it couldn't fit my wrist because my wrist, they're pretty small. I'm gonna go ahead and return this back in the store. Mom just ordered a new one from Amazon and it's a smartwatch. It's supposed to be arriving today, but let's wait. Alright guys, it finally arrived. Here it is. Let me go ahead and open this up. See what we have. This is what it looks like. Let's go ahead and open this up. Okay. Take this out. This is the watch. Oh, look at that. This is what the watch looks like so far. Looks nice. We have the charger for the watch too. Since it's a smartwatch, you have to charge it. Alright, the manual shows you the safety warning, the instructions on how to set it up. And I guess that's about it. I guess that's all in there. Let me take this off. See how satisfying this looks. Nice. This is where to charge it. It turns on by charging it now because it's probably dead by now. What do you know? It actually turned on. It just says it's charging, but it's showing that it's charging though. Alright guys, so the watch is finally on. So this is the home screen right now. You can see this is not the right time. I'm gonna set it up soon, but yeah, it's also a touchscreen. We got the menu and setting. This is where you can dial numbers and stuff. This is the setting. This is where to add new contacts and stuff. But this watch has Bluetooth. You can play some music. Also has a calculator too. If you didn't know, this watch also has a camera too. Let's see that. Oh, look at that. What else does this have? It has Facebook, Twitter, and WhatsApp. Dang, it has a lot of stuff. Also has a messaging app too. You can go over here and write messages on a watch. The alarm clock too. I'm over here wearing the watch right now and it looks really good. Yeah, it fits really good. Anyone can wear it, even kids, adults, who else. Watch looks really good for $20. Alright guys, I'm gonna go ahead and end the video right there. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you leave a like on it. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel if you're new. If you want to check out my last video, it will be in the link in the description down below. My Instagram and my Snapchat will also be in the link in the description too. If you guys also want to check out the watch yourself, link in the description. That's all I gotta say. I will see you guys in the next video. Peace out.